CPT JJ-CPV Evaluation and Management E&M Services Guidelines 0709, which means what is it? Page 7, right? Page 7, part 9, right?
Yes.
So this is a system review or review of systems, which is part of the evaluation and management coding. So let's read that. An inventory
Of body systems obtained through a series of questions seeking to identify signs and or symptoms that the patient may be experienced or have experienced.
Right. We're going to analyze the situation by just asking questions about the body systems, right? And let's give a couple of examples of the body systems. The one that are very popular, the GU system, which is genitourinary system, right? And for instance, the questions that you could ask is, this urea, urgency, hesitancy. This is all for the urine. Nocturia, the urinate at night. Incontinence, that you can't hold it, right? This is for the genitourinary system, right? And there's the other system, the skin or the integumentary, the muscular, the neuro, and others, okay? So this is our theory. This is part of the EMN service evaluation. Now, we're going to do a problem now. So, ready, set, go. Okay, CPT JJ-RVA, page 248, right? Problem
Yes.
15, and this is a level 1, which means it's a regular difficulty. And the keywords are anesthesia and shoulder replacement. And the text of the problem reads like this.
Anesthesia.
This is the anesthesia section of the CPT code, and
Code anesthesia for total shoulder replacement.
right, code anesthesia for total shoulder replacement. Okay, that's the problem. Now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the CPT code for this procedure. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is 01638. Did you get that? 01638. If you got that, congratulations. You don't need to look at the rest of the video. You can go to the next one. If you didn't get it, let's give you a couple of tips. First tip. Tip number 1.
Okay. Path of anesthesia shoulder gives you too many choices.
Okay. Now this is an example of how you have to choose the right keywords and the right order for you to find the code very fast. Remember that in the test, in the exam, your main problem is time. You have to solve the problem real fast. So instead of just going with the first set of words, try to find another way that will save you time. Because in this instance, if you go to anesthesia, which is all right, and then you go to anatomical part, which is the shoulder, you will get like, there are like 10 ranges, I think, which you could go to find the right one. But how about trying the next step? Anesthesia first, and then what is it that you're going to do with it? Replacement, and then shoulder. There's a different combination. I mean, if you try this one, you will get only one code, which is already that. That's the answer. All you have to do is just check in the tabular, and you get the answer, right? Okay, the second tip.
Second tip is total of total replacement is in the tabular, not in the index.
Yeah, that's another thing also that you have to think about it. Sometimes not all the keywords are in the index. In the index is just like an approximation. When you go to the tabular, try to find that all the keywords or most of the keywords are there, because the tabular gives you a more detailed explanation of the procedure. So that in this case, for instance, the total is not found in the index. It just says replacement. It doesn't say if it's partial or total. But when you go to the tabular, then you find the total replacement. It's right there. Okay, so those are 2 tips for you to find the code. And then if you want to know what the procedure is, we have these A+ links, which we consider that are the best for this procedure, the anesthesia and shoulder replacement, right? All these 3. And if you're interested in this code, then you can watch the rest when there are suggested links also. You can just click, and then you will find exactly what the procedure is. And then the answer is 01638. Now you have everything to solve the problem or to give us the path, because you already know the answer, but now we want to know the path, how we got to the answer. So we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the path, how we got to the answer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the summary of the whole problem. First is our code, CPT JJ-RVA-248-15-L1, and there are the keywords, anesthesia and shoulder replacement. And the text of the problem reads like this. This is the anesthesia part of the CPT code, and they want you to code anesthesia for total shoulder replacement. Okay, so there's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First, you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to anesthesia.
Go to the A, anesthesia, and then you go to
replacement.
Replacement. Remember in the tip, don't go to shoulder, but go to replacement here. After replacement, you go to
shoulder.
Shoulder, and then you get only
01638,
which is just one code. This is very easy to check. You go to the tabular then, and the code 1 through the tabular is checked like this.
First, you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular.
You go to this code 01638.
Right. You go to the only code that you found in the index and check that. What does it say?
It says anesthesia.
Anesthesia. What else?
It keeps going on
Right.
until we get to the point total shoulder replacement.
Yeah, this ellipsis here means that there's more words, but you just ignore those because we're just looking for the keywords in our problem. So total shoulder replacement is what we have here, right here. So we get all the keywords. So this, we are double checking that this is our code. So that's why there's an equal sign at the end, and the answer is 01638. Okay? So thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, and also you can subscribe to our videos by just clicking here in the subscribe button, and you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all that's needed to pass the medical coding certification exam.
So don't forget to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.